All right, tell me about free yourself. Let's just see. Clarify free yourself for my Scorpios, please. Soulmate. Okay. Yes, this is your soulmate. Tell me about passion. Oh, okay. This is one of the scenarios. Yep. All right. I'm gonna tell y'all. Tell me about paying attention to the red flags. Clarify. Pay attention to the red flags. Chemistry. Okay. What's at the bottom of that? Unrequited love. Yep. All right. Yep. That clarified it. So, Scorpio. Listen. Yeah, I got to do all of this. Okay. You know I'm extra. Guys, listen, so from what I'm picking up, you guys have been dealing with someone, and let me just say, cross-watcher, this could be how you're feeling if you were dealing with a Scorpio. But regardless of the situation, somebody messed up here, okay? They messed up bad. And I feel like they know that you're their person. You're their soulmate. But they're trying to free themselves from a situation that they put themselves in. They think about you a lot, and I feel like you guys think about them too. I don't care about your eyes, you do. And you're trying to move on, but it pisses you off because you keep thinking about this person, right? I feel there's definitely a strong connection here with you and this person, which is why I wasn't even surprised to see the chemistry card, especially when I saw this middle column right here. So you already know this connection is crazy. Some of you guys are dealing with a soulmate. Some of you guys, this could be a twin flame situation. I feel like this person, yeah, you did deal with this person in a past life as well. And I feel like they're basically trying to wrap their head around this connection that they have with you. There could have been a difference in spiritual beliefs. Like, I feel like one of you, you're more spiritual than the other. Like, you're woke, okay? You're woke. And this person, I don't know if it freaked them out at times. Yeah, it did. You know, I know it did. If you guys talked about, you know, whatever you're into. But I feel like this person, they're going through some changes. They're definitely going through their awakening right now. And they do want to come back and talk to you, but they're just taking a cautious approach to do it. Because remember, they're trying to get out of something. So, yeah. This message is very specific for someone out here. So, yeah, let's just hop in. Ooh, okay. Let's hop in. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so, bottom of the deck, I have the King of Swords reversed. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But I'm more so picking up this energy that whoever messed up, they don't want you to cut them off. Somebody's afraid that they're not going to be able to have a happy home with you anymore. Yep, they're feeling like, they know, I'm telling you, they know you are the person. You're the one for them. You're their soulmate. But they're afraid that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. There's the Ace of Pentacles. This person wants to come back to give you the offer that you deserve. And they are coming out of being worried, being stuck in their head. Tell me more. But at the same time, this person isn't talking to you. They're keeping things to themselves. They don't know how to express their emotions or express, like, basically how they feel about you. You could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or another Scorpio. Tell me more. They have to make some changes. This person could have been very sneaky in the past. And regardless, what was that to try to jump like that? They basically have to make some changes, and they need to speak their truth to you. Tell me more. Maybe somebody's dealing with a Libra the way they're trying to jump out of my hands. But either which way, again, I see them coming out of being frustrated about this situation. But see, Spirit is saying they're still not using their intuition. Clarify? Yeah, they're scared. This person, I feel like they kept a lot of things hidden from you. Somebody's dealing with a Pisces here. Clarify the moon. Let me see something. They're scared, but they're using their intuition. It's like this person's back and forth a lot. And they made a decision that they want to have a commitment with you. They want to have a marriage with you. If you guys are already married, maybe this is the person I'm speaking of, your wife or your husband, and they want to continue to work on the marriage. Because at one point, they feel like they lost you for good. And see, they're coming out of that energy because they want to be with you. But see, there's 2 5s here. This person is battling themselves. I feel like, yes, they did start a lot of conflict with you, but there's something that this person is going through internally, like they're battling. Tell me more. Let's see. Tell me. But they do want to give you a new love offer. This person is struggling with something. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but I'm telling you, it's like, this is your soulmate. This is your person. They know it. Look at that. They made a decision. What's their decision? Could be dealing with a Leo, but it's like they made a decision that they do want to come towards you to work this out, but they just don't have the strength to tell you this. Why? Yeah, they broke your heart because they did have you in some type of third-party situation. And that's why they feel like you're not going to accept this Ace of Cups. They feel like you're not going to accept it. Look at that. But in order for them to give you this offer, because there's an offer coming in, they have to remove themselves. There's a third party here. They got to remove themselves. Whether it's friends, family, a love interest, there is a third party here. And they know that it hurts you. You're disappointed in them. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But I feel like this person is afraid that you're going to cut them off for good because they hurt you. They feel like you're done with them. You're not going to say anything else to them. You're tired of talking. You're tired of trying to work this out. It's like, how many more times do I have to keep telling you, you know, what it is that I want, I need? Every time I give you a chance, you keep basically stabbing me in the chest. Like, we're not going to keep doing this. Some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. I have an Aries here, but I feel like, honestly, Scorpio, you're looking at this person like they just don't bring stability into your situation. And you're like, why am I holding on to you? You serve me no purpose. That's why a lot of you guys cut them off. You did. But you see what okay, if I were to move this back this way, I don't know if y'all can see it, but you see how I have the King and the Queen of Swords, and there's somebody here. This is your person. I'm telling you, this is like a soulmate or a twin flame situation, and there was somebody in the way. There is a third party. You cut it off. You're like, I'm done. I'm not dealing with this. Again, you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But yeah, this is why this person is afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. But this was their lesson. Could be dealing with a Virgo. This was their lesson. They had to go through it. And see, now they're sitting back thinking and reflecting on everything. Tell me more. Because they do want things to improve with you. Clarify the Three of Pentacles. They do want a new beginning. Hold on, y'all. Clarify the Empress. See? Clarify the Empress. Back and forth with the Chariot. I'm going to tell you, for some of you guys, there could have been a pregnancy here. That's not for everybody. But for some of you, there could have been a pregnancy. And this is why this person feels like you're done with them for good. Or if you don't know, they're going to come back and tell you that. And you're like, oh, no, we're not doing that. Yeah, they're freaking out. For others of you, I just feel like this person wants to birth something new with you. Like, they want to have this new opportunity. They want to have a new beginning, and they do want to move forward with you. Some of you guys are dealing with a Cancer. But see, this individual that messed up, they're moving extremely slow. Back and forth about the Hangman. See, they're having a hard time, you know, coming towards you. And it's like, at the same time, even though they're having a hard time coming towards you, I'm telling you, they know that they want to be with you. They want to fix this. But they're just taking it day by day. Tell me more. Yeah, see? They know, they're not happy. Two, they know you're not happy with them right now because of what they did to you in the past. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I feel like somebody was interfering big time, whether this is like their mother or a love interest. There was somebody interfering here. Clarify the Queen of Wands reverse. And see, it's like they need to leave this person alone, in which I kept seeing they're going to remove themselves because they want to come back towards you to turn things around. Maybe they're looking at the situation like you're not being positive about them, which, I mean, they ain't wrong. You're not, because they messed up. So, yeah, see what I'm saying? They did leave you out in the cold. And they're hoping that you can forgive them, that you're not angry with them anymore. And that's why they're stuck trying to make a decision. Because even though they're frustrated, they're trying to clear away obstacles that's been keeping the two of you from coming back together, becoming one. And see, the way the Page of Pentacles came out, this person definitely was in some type of codependent situation. They were. Whether it's, you know, I did see another person, but at the same time, it could have been like addictions or something that they were just involved with that they had to let go. And I do feel like they're going to come back towards you wanting to give you an offer. And I feel like the offer is small because they do want to start over and build something with you, but they have to start all the way over because you don't trust them. And see, that's why it's like they're manifesting you back into their life. They're trying to stay positive because, see, they're coming out of this energy of not speaking their truth. They're coming out of this energy of feeling stuck in a situation, and they're going to free themselves, and they're going to speak their truth to you. Tell me more. See, look, justice. However they treated you, whatever your situation was, I feel like karma did get them. Your justice was served. At the same time, I do feel like this person wants to know the truth from you. They want to know how you're feeling. Clarify justice. They want the truth. Some of them, it could be a legal situation because there's a document or contract I'm seeing here. So some of them could be going through some type of legal situation on their end. For others of you, I do feel like this person wants to rush in to talk to you. But see, at the same time, this person was being a player in the past. They were. And that's why there was a lot of that in and out energy between the two of you.